Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
everyone.
Hello,
Hi,
everyone.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
How have you been, guys?
I'm doing good.
All
Doing
good?
good, okay.
Yes.
How's trading treating you?
Good,
Oh,
good.
good.
It didn't work
Not that
properly
good.
today. It didn't work today. Something's
I
broken.
didn't take any trades today, to be honest. What about you, Rajdeep?
Not yet. I'm
Not yet, huh?
still looking for some setup.
Yeah. Today is a bit confusing. I like, or maybe I'm just tired. I'm not sure. But I can't see anything clear, so I think I'm gonna stay aside. Although I have like one order. Let me show you. Um, I'm expecting to see something like this on gold. So a drop to this area, around this area, like 120, before continuing to 300. But this could not like could easily like continue going up. But I have my order here. If it fills, it fills. If it doesn't, then it's not by my day. I'm not reading the market properly, so I'll stay aside. Yep. So that's it. What about you guys? What do you have? Like, what's your bias on gold today?
No bias whatsoever, actually.
Nothing, huh?
No, it's having me confused all morning. So I don't think I'm going to take any more trades today.
Ah, you stopped trading for the day.
Yeah, I think so. Unless I see something very clear, I think so.
Yeah. Um, I don't know. Let me see if we have any questions. Welcome everyone, by the way. I'm not sure if I said hi to the people in the chat, but just in case, hello, hello. So, how was the week? How was the week? How was trading this week?
In my case, it's been fantastic. Not today, actually.
Hmm.
Last day of the month for me, and I was expecting just to close it properly, and it didn't happen. But all in all, it's
Tomorrow,
been an
no?
amazing month. Yeah.
You still have tomorrow till the end of the month, no?
No, no, I won't be trading. I'm out. I'm skiing.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
So,
I
what
was.
about you, Rajdeep? How was your trading week?
I had a good week too. Like all my accounts were in deep drawdown, and I'm just glad I managed to come back to break even on a few accounts.
That's great.
Also, two payouts, one with funding pips and one with other firm. So yes,
Okay.
I've been suffering the whole February, but the last week just paid off.
Okay, that's great news. Because last week I think I made only one trade or two trades. I didn't do any trades this week, like any major trades. But I'm waiting for like a good swing on gold. Like I stopped even day trading or like even scalping this week because like first of all, I'm not feeling my best because I'm fasting.
Yeah.
Second of all, like I feel that the market is not being very clear, or it's not giving me what I want, even in terms of scalping or day trading. It moves one way, then it decides to flip the whole thing in 1 minute. So yeah,
True.
I'll go back to swing trading now until
Mm.
the whole mess is over.
Yeah, that's very sensible of you, because that what happened to me. Yeah, yeah, late yesterday and this morning also for scalpers. At least for me, but I'm pretty sure for the rest of the scalpers, it's been hard,
It's
hard day.
been hard. It's been hard. I've been trying to catch like small trades on smaller time frames,
Mm.
but like I couldn't even like get a single proper setup. Like not even a trade. I didn't enter.
Mm.
It's like just a setup. Like I couldn't have one setup. So yeah, uh, I spent most of my week waiting for a setup. Um, then I decided to just give up and stop looking for trades and go to higher time frames.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Pearson Hardman is asking, how do you always have the same trade ideas as me? I don't know. Maybe we're soulmates, my friend. Farming is already short gold. Um, you know what? Actually, yesterday I was long gold. I closed today because of this analysis, because I saw that it might go down to 120.
Mm.
Uh, but you know what the problem is? Like it's giving mixed signals. Like even this,
Yeah.
okay, it's been going down. Then we saw this big engulfing candle. That's a very
Mm.
bullish candle. I don't know, like if it's going to continue like dropping or just like reverse from here and start going up. No idea. So that's why I have my pending order waiting here. Uh, whatever happens, happens.
Mm.
Same situation. Raj is saying the same situation. Yeah.
Um,
Closed recently at 75. Gold
I
is
think
gonna
gold is
drop.
just consolidating right now between the 5200 and 5100.
Yeah. But
200, you said?
we have a lot of people saying that gold is dropping. What do you guys think? Rajdeep, what do you think? I'd like to hear
Um,
your thoughts on like the daily bias today.
for me, I'm still bullish till uh, I think I still want to see one more push up before we fall down. If we move to sales, and I think it's just we're in the middle. I know I want to see some move to the upside or to the downside to plan the opposite trade, because in the higher time frame I just see a lot of consolidation.
So you think like we should first break above this area, which is like 215, 216 yesterday's high, or like above this 250?
Yeah. So like your setup that you have play marked here for the buys, it's either that or we'll be just moving up to that the supply that you have created on that green box. So if there will be sales, I still want gold to push up, take those highs, and then we can plan for some sales. But right now we are just in the middle.
Okay, yeah, I get you. Like like let me show you what I think on higher time frames. We might do something like this. Like it might reach here, like this area, the green box, as you
Mhm.
said, and
Mm.
then we might do this, but God knows,
Mhm.
you know, like it's still not confirmed, but it's just a theory, it's just a scenario. And look, gold now is back at 170. So what's happening? Like it does not want to decide on a direction. It keeps changing. Here we had an engulfing, bullish engulfing. Here we have bearish engulfing. So it's, as you said, it's consolidating. But I think it's not going to break below this, which is the 5090. Even if it drops
5,090.
5,090. What do you think about this level, Rosa?
Yeah, it could be. Yeah,
Is this our like safety net?
5,090, right? You said?
Yeah, 5,090, like
Yeah, yeah.
590.
Yep. I'm gonna put some alerts here.
Yeah, I think like buying from the 120, 110 would be a great place to buy from, with like protective stops below 5,090. So that's my theory.
Hmm.
But I'm really like, I'm not very confident of this.
Yeah, 5,090. We have the Tuesday low.
Tuesday low.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was Tuesday low. Yeah, correct. Was it Tuesday? Let me check. Yes, sir. It was Tuesday's low. Then it reversed.
Mm-hmm.
It went up. Let me see how many dollars. So if using mental math. Yeah, so it went up $125 from that area. So I think this is the first push to the upside. And then we are going to see another push to the downside here without breaking this level, so that we can continue going up to my target here, 290. So yeah, that's a 1 to 5.7 if it works. God knows.
Mhm.
Um, okay, so Pearson Harman is saying, according to my experience, gold can fall to 110, 127, and then continue bullish till at least 210. I agree. I agree. What kind of chart? What do you mean? Gold. Some time for correcting.
Collapse
By the
violation. What's that?
we have news in 15 minutes, by the way, huh?
News when?
We have initial jobless claims in 15 minutes, 16
Oh,
minutes.
all right.
Yeah, this
Okay.
might change. Like, yeah, this might move the market.
Mm.
Did you guys feel the thirst for liquidity? All three of us were like, oh, yeah, okay.
No, I said okay because just in case I go in on any positions.
Yeah, so that's 15 minutes from now.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait then. I'm exhausted already and it's only Thursday.
It's only Thursday? Like
So-
how long is your week? Like
It,
it's
it,
over like
it's
it
quite long actually, usually. Not this one, but yeah.
yeah, but it ends tomorrow, no?
The trading, trading, yes, it's on Friday.
Nothing is
But
harder than trading.
then
What
I
could
have
be
to go back testing, analyze, blah blah blah. So I usually work as well a few hours on Saturday and Sunday.
yeah, but like no pressure, you know? I also
Eh,
work on Saturdays and sometimes Sundays, but because like it's no pressure, it's
No, it's
the work
different,
that
yeah.
you do so that like the rest of your work goes
Mm.
smoothly and goes properly. So like you don't feel the same pressure as if you're behind the charts or trading.
No, you're right, yeah.
Yeah.
It's different. You have to do it, but it's a different thing.
Yeah.
All
Can
right.
someone ban this guy? Okay. hmm Sorry, Rajdeep, can you say
Yeah,
that again? It wasn't clear.
he lost connection.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Rajdeep.
Yeah, I think connection's not right.
Yeah, he's not moving, yeah? Or it's just me?
No, that's it. He's off.
Yeah, I think he'll join again now.
Hmm. Someone's asking, how are you doing with your fast? How is it going with your
It's going
fasting?
fine. It's going fine. Not as hard as I expected it to be, but it's like I don't know. Like I feel tired, but it's not so bad. But I don't feel my best. I don't know if that
Of
makes
course.
sense. Like
Oh,
it's
yeah,
not
it
hard.
does.
It's not hard, but like it's not me.
Of course.
Yeah, the oil is
And how
trending
long does it
to.
last? What day is it? The last day?
Today is the day 8, and we still have 21 days to go.
Oh,
Yeah. Got a 4 hour on DAX in the morning, now waiting for unemployment claims to see if it can bring something. Yeah, let's see. 13 minutes to go. The oil is trending for a while. What do you think on that? Let's check oil because let me show you what I have on oil. Let's go to the monthly chart. We reset. Now you see that we have this, like it failed to break this low, which was 54.7. That's the WTI, which is the West Texas oil. We closed bullish last month. So like a bullish engulfing. This month has been like correcting or trying to retrace. And on the weekly, like on the monthly, it shows that engulfing candle correction. Now we're going to start going up, but on the weekly, look what it doesn't look very like bullish to me. It's below most of the major moving averages. It's below the trend line. Um, it's not doing very well. I would consider like trading oil after it breaks 75.8, let's say 76. Only then it will be or it will start trending, and I only enter trending market, so I might be like interested in entering oil after it breaks 76. So still like $13 from here.
hmm.
And I think this will only happen if the US attacks Iran. So let's hope this never happens. I'm just stuck on my value. Every time I go to break even, I lose 1 to 2 trades like it's been 2 weeks. I'm genuinely frustrated. Any suggestions? Okay. Rosa, would you like to take this one? Since you have more experience in evaluations and prop firms.
Yeah, I understand he's frustrated. It's pretty normal. But you're not stuck. You're actually, this is not being stuck. This is, are you following all the steps every single time, all the very same steps? Or are you trying to pass the evaluation and you are changing things every time? Because when you say, I go to break even, like initial balance, and then you lose 1 2 trades, like it's been 2 weeks, and then you go back to break even. That's what I'm understanding. So you go back and forth to break even, but you are never in profit. If so, please review, just check with yourself if you're doing the same strategy, exactly the same one over and over. If so, that's not a bad thing. I've lost 9 accounts this morning, and it's part of the game.
Oh
So
wow.
that doesn't, yeah, no, but it's within the average. So it's important to understand losing accounts on prop firms is absolutely fine, and it's something it's going to happen 100%. not 50%, 100% it's going to happen because of the rules. It's not like a personal account, so don't get frustrated. Just keep going, and it's a fantastic thing. You only have 1, 2 bad trades, and then you go back to break even, and then again, and then again. So you're not on 10 losses in a row. It's not a bad strike. Just keep going. And as I said, I just lost 9 accounts this morning. It's part of the game. I didn't lose. I only did lose 1 yesterday out of 20 accounts. So there's extremely very good days, extremely bad days, and then there's the average. So keep going. Don't worry about it. And if you lose it, it's fine. Just buy another. That doesn't mean you're not a good trader or anything. It's like you're playing a different game. This is not a personal account. It's plenty of rules to constrain your freedom at the moment that you are trading, which is fine, but you have to adapt, and most important, you have to understand that these are the rules. It's very difficult for you to draw money from prop accounts until you understand what's the game. I say game in the sense of rules. So I lost 9 accounts today, but I'm gonna ask for 2 withdrawals tonight. I lost 1 yesterday, and I asked for another withdrawal, and the day before I asked for 2 more withdrawals. So even at some point, even losing accounts, you'll start withdrawing. No problem at all. So keep going. 9 accounts, yeah, damn. That's pretty, I mean, I usually run 20, 22 accounts. No, more than that, because it's 20 futures account average, plus the CFDs accounts like funding pips, plus personal accounts, plus Axis Select accounts. So it's an average of 25, 27 accounts every single day. So 9 out of 25, it's fantastic. It's like 30%, 30, 33%. Fantastic. News in 7 minutes. Okay, Pearson, if you are 0.5% away from getting funded, and then you are in a severe drawdown, this is not called trading. This is revenge. This is eager. And this is something else. It's impossible. That shouldn't happen, because you're not trading your strategy for sure. You are trying to pass the evaluation as fast as it's only 0.5%. You know what happened with me this morning? In 3 of the 9 accounts I lost. It was late. I had to go for a walk because I've been sitting on this chair since 7 a.m. So from 7 a.m. and now it's 2:30 afternoon. So I was in a hurry and I thought, let's buy. I only need $200 to get funded. $200 on each account. And I traded the 3 of them. And you know the result. I lost the 3 of them. I can do so because I manage a lot of accounts, and I can replace, I can buy more and more and more accounts. Actually, between January and February, I've bought 89 accounts. How's that?
That's a big number.
That's a big number, I know, but the withdrawals, the profits, not the withdrawals, net profit, it's been amazing. So
How many accounts again?
20.
Yeah, I heard right. Nice.
So I usually work with 25 accounts as an average.
And someone is asking all of them through a copy, right?
No. No, it depends on the time. Depends on the time of the day. So at 7:30 a.m., I copy trade a few of them with a particular strategy I have, and then 8 to 10, it's between some of the accounts are manually traded by me, and some others are with bots traded with expert advisors. So yeah, it's a mixed. Maybe it's 70% bots, expert advisors, and the rest it's me manually. I like to feel it, and
Well, you got good infrastructure running for you.
I do, and
Yeah,
it's about to be even better in a few weeks. If all the back
hopefully, hopefully.
testings are okay in 2 weeks, I'm going to deploy a massive thing. Let's see if it works.
Hopefully it does.
So
Hopefully it does work. Um,
hopefully.
I'm reading. Yeah, so we have news in 3 minutes.
3 minutes, yeah.
Less, 2 minutes now. Let's just focus on the price movement and try to understand if it tries to tell us anything.
Mm.
Okay. Do you know this? What's it called? Like the guru that teaches his students, and it was like they were waiting for news. It's a video on Instagram or like social media. And he was like, okay, 1, 2, 3, boom, and it drops. Or like the opposite. Let's do this today.
Okay,
Yeah. What do you think?
okay,
Up
let's
or
bet
down?
about it.
Yeah.
I'm betting down.
You're betting down? Not up then down. You can give combos if you want.
So
Up
up,
then
down,
down.
down, down.
Let me see. Yeah, I think down too, but like based on nothing. Honestly, based on luck. I don't know.
Oh, like me, based on nothing. That's
Yeah,
it's a
yeah.
bet.
It's a bet, yeah. Guys, let's bet. You have 1 minute. Throw your bet in the chat. Okay, so 17 seconds, 16 seconds. Almost there. So it's expected to be worse. It's expected to like we're expected to have more jobless claims. It's positive. It's 212. It's worse than the previous, but better than the forecast. So 212,000 jobless claims. We guessed right. It's going down, but not like a very big movement. Price is at equilibrium. Sell up thereafter down. Once you up, once you down. It's a win-win. Okay, so all of us won. All of us won the bet. Okay.
Good.
So let's see what will happen now. I think we need to break this. The 150 something, 155 needs to be broken so that we can like see those levels, which are like 120 or 110. Let me check. Do I have my orders right? Yeah, I do.
Hello, I'm so sorry. My network.
Okay, you're welcome.
Hi,
Welcome back.
welcome
I'm
back.
so sorry. Perks of living in India.
That was a surprise. Welcome back. Welcome back. So, what do you think will happen now? Like, did your bias change? You said you were bullish.
No, I don't
Still
think it
bullish,
moved.
huh?
It didn't move. No, it didn't move anything.
It went down a little bit, yeah.
Like
Uh,
very slightly, yeah.
if this continues, I won't be rushing any trade. Okay, I think I'm out again. Do you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Were you moving?
Okay, okay, here.
Uh,
I've never passed an evil. It's my fourth account. How many accounts did you blow before ever passing and getting a payout? It's a question for everyone. So, from my experience, what I would say is that risk only what you can afford to lose. Like if you're like taking account sizes of which you cannot repurchase every single month. Let's say you cannot afford a 100K every single month to just to practice and blow the account until you're funded. Then don't do it. Switch to smaller accounts. Try to try. Let's say if you can buy 25K account, it's better you get 5K accounts or 2 10K accounts, so that even if you fail one, you can pass one, and that will help you to build the confidence, and then you can start getting into the higher accounts as you take 2 3 4 payouts.
that's
And
very good
for
advice.
me, yeah, and for me, I think I blew, I don't know, 20 accounts before I got my first payout, and that too because I was trading with some stupid firms. I was still getting payout, and I still made profits, but they didn't pay me out. I won't name them, but yeah, my first true payout was from funding pips.
If they're scammers, just say their names, no problem. If they're scammers,
Yeah,
if
if
they're known to be.
these days, like if you're not an influencer or you don't have some following in your pages, it's very hard to get some payouts with the other firms.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Hello.
I tried to work with some of the firms, but
yeah,
actually I started working with Funding Pips April 24th, and I tried some of the firms. One of them banned me for I still don't know the reasons because it wasn't true, and I proved them with because I record all my sessions, so there's no problem at all. If someone says, I don't know, you have used Rob, you weren't allowed, or you traded the news, things like that. So that's why I record the session. So I send them proof, and they banned me anyway. And the only prop firm I work with on CFDs is Funding Pips, and I'm funding ticks, but it's not there anymore. But yeah, so it's not easy with some prop firms.
true.
Okay. So, guys, I have a question um, from YSB. I cannot read the name. Like YouTube usernames are hard. But hello, Saif. I have a question. How do you interpret this unemployment claims data? It is worse than the previous, but better than the forecast. It feels kind of in the middle. It is in the middle. But like you read the number like as an absolute value. 212,000 is not very bad. So even if it's worse than the previous, it's still better than expected. So markets move based on expectations. So since it's better than expected, that's positive for the US dollar. Um, if you want me to explain how the unemployment is connected to the strength of the US dollar, just let me know. But I explained it many times before.
Is there any more news today?
No.
No,
High impact? No, that's it.
Okay.
this week was pretty clean though. No major news.
Yeah, no big news. No.
Hmm.
I think we have. Let me check. Uh, Wednesday, like yesterday, was the biggest day with 3 data points, which are not very important. Tomorrow we have PPI from the US. That's an important number. That's it. Like we have the German CPI, we have the Chicago PMI, but the most important number is PPI because it measures inflation on the producer side, which can be later on transferred to the consumer side, which causes the increase of inflation numbers. Okay.
What are the indicators are you using? One guy is asking you. Moving
Which
averages, right?
only moving, like it's only one indicator, but I have different periods. So it's only the moving average, the simple moving average. I have different periods based on the close price. I have the 10, the 20, the 50, the 126, and the 200-day moving averages. So it's basically the same indicator. I use it because this way it like I don't need to draw support and resistance because it draws it for me. So I know whenever there's a cluster of moving averages, I know that this is an important level and this is a structure point. So I wait for a setup around those levels. See, student life for me, and that's exactly what I do. I just in such a way. Did anyone answer this one? Natanj, see, it's student life for me, and that's exactly what I do. I risk in such a way one account would last before I could get another one. Did you guys discuss this?
By the way, where are you? No,
No, no. This wasn't discussed.
Yeah, it was 2 minutes ago. Um, like I think from what I understood from you guys, since you trade prop, this is not the most efficient way to trade prop. You need to have more than like multiple accounts, right?
yes.
True.
Yeah. So
As
can
many as you can. That's the answer.
sorry again.
As many as you can.
As many as you can. Okay. Can you explain that to Natansh, Rosa, please? Because you would say it like, or you would explain better than me.
Um, yeah, Rishi, add any comment if you feel like it. So, Nathan, prop firms is not trading. So trading is one thing. Trading personal account is one thing. It's a business, and prop firms is a total different business. It has nothing to do. If it were the same business, the rules would be the same, and they are not. So we have to think, who are we playing against? So that point is very clear. Different rules, different games. No, but it's similar. But yet they ask different rules, different game. If it's a different game, mentality and execution, everything is different. How much different, or how different it can be? You have to read the rules very carefully, not in a rush. No, you have to read the rules and understand what the rules are there, are trying to tell you. Rishi, yeah, you agree, right? So a different game, different rules. Read carefully, and then you plan. How am I going to play this game against you, right? This is why one of the main concepts working with props is having as many accounts as you can. Oh, but I can only buy one. Buy one. But if you can buy two, buy two. If after 3 weeks you can buy three, buy three. The second rule is you are going to die. When I say you, is the account is meant to die. That's a fact. Because everything is against the survival of the every single rule. That's why you have to read and understand the rules. Since it's meant to be between 1 day and doesn't matter. The the faster it dies, the better actually. But since it's meant to have, treat accounts as if they were your babies. So you don't live in the account like you don't grow the account slowly with time, carefully. That's not uh, that's not the purpose of the account. You buy it, you trade it, risk. You manage your risk. I'm very aggressive. If it dies, you buy another one. If you can't buy 3 accounts a month, this is not your game. I say 3 to be benevolent, but you should be able to buy at least 10, 15 accounts a month. Otherwise, I'd recommend you to save some money and then start this game. It's like, I don't know, if you don't have shoes to play football, it's not your game. Maybe you should try ping pong or something. You don't need to use your feet, right? So it's the same. And have as many accounts as you can. And don't cry every time you lose one, because it doesn't matter if they die. That's not people focus on losing, but you have to focus on, okay, how many accounts do I need to withdraw? It's all statistics. If you want to get money from prop accounts, it's all statistics. It has nothing to do with trading. So that's my average, and I don't think anyone can beat my average because it's an average, it's statistics. It's not because I'm that good, it's statistics. You need 3 accounts to get one funded account. And then you need 2 funded accounts to get paid. That's an average. And if you do the math, these are the numbers. So am I going to cry every time I lose an account? No, because I need 3 accounts lost in order to pass one.
So you open opposite trades. Did I get you right?
No.
You can't do that, right?
No, you're not allowed. No.
Okay.
No, what I'm saying is,
Yeah, I get you, but like
on how
when
many
you said
accounts have
like
you
I
lost.
need 3 accounts to pass one challenge, and then I need 2 accounts to get a payout.
So how
What
many
you're
accounts
saying.
do I need to get some money out of
Yeah,
it? At
you know,
least,
yeah.
as an average, at least 6. As an average. That doesn't mean
Okay.
I'm on a bad strike and I will need 25, because that's average, that's statistics, that's math. So that's why you have to get money if you want to get money. So you have to put some money in to get some money out. I mean, it's every single business works this way. So if you do your maths, that's the numbers. ROI, return of investment on prop accounts. On it's different on futures prop accounts than in CFDs prop accounts. Okay, are higher on CFDs, but I'm going to talk on the futures just because the numbers are more manageable. So return of investment, it's around 200. So for every dollar, I'll get $2 in profit. That's a lot. Many multinational businesses don't have this ROI. But you have to keep buying, keep buying, keep buying, and have one strategy and keep doing the same strategy. Don't overthink. Don't overthink. Keep going, going, going. And that's and read the rules, because every company is different. You have to read the rules. So that's my advice. And it's as simple, actually, seriously, it's as simple as that.
That's a
And
playbook, not an advice.
yeah, and Rishi said, buy small accounts. It's better 2 accounts 25K each than 150K, because you're not on this loop. Start with as small as you can, as many accounts as you can, and then you keep the wheel, you do the bill bigger and bigger and bigger. I didn't start with 20 accounts. And I
Okay.
spent like,
But you don't have like one account that has been going on for like since you started with funding pips, for example. Like you
no,
don't have one account that you're like taking care of and you're getting payouts from that specific account consistently.
I'm having accounts. I think I had 2 accounts that last a year each, because this is CFDs and it works different. But I'm already profitable. So it's not the same if you're already profitable. And
Yeah,
when I
I'm
say
asking
profit,
about the same specific account. Like for example, you open the first 2 accounts you opened with funding pips, they're gone. No, the first 2 accounts you got payouts from, are they still alive?
no,
Okay, so that was my question. Like,
no.
like once you get a payout from an account, you don't try to like keep it, or you don't try to protect it.
Why?
No, I'm just asking for the benefit of everyone listening.
No, 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 no,
I'm
no.
just
But
asking the questions that come up to anyone's mind if they're not very experienced in the prop game. That's why I'm asking.
no. I mean, I keep trading and I risk a lot more than I usually risk on my personal account. Because
Okay,
when I lose $1,000 on funding
it
pips,
it's not really $1,000.
yeah. How
It's
much
a
is it?
$30. Yeah,
Yeah, it's $30.
yeah, yeah.
That some people don't understand. So that's why I'm very aggressive when I trade.
Okay.
Because at the end, if I lose the account, I've lost. I don't, if it's 100K, it's $500.
Hmm.
It's not as 100K.
Yeah.
It's $500. Can I buy 10 of these? Yes. But if I can, I
Yeah,
would
but
buy the 25.
like, won't you be wasting time if like you keep like losing accounts and then buying new ones
Yeah.
to pass them, and then
Hmm.
you know, wouldn't that be like, how long would it take you to pass like a two phases account, a two-phase account?
It's different depending on the account. So
Of
you
course,
don't face the
depends on the
same
day.
thing.
Yeah.
No, no, no. And it depends on the account. Two phases are more difficult to pass, but then it's better to get payouts. Futures work different, but it took me the minimum days. So if I'm able to pass it in 3, so I'm required, I don't know, 3 days to pass the one phase challenge, I would risk everything. Either I pass it in 3 or I lose the account.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
Because
So
this is,
that's like the cost of the account is your stop loss.
that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's very smart.
I actually have my first account with funding waves. I still have it.
Oh, really?
For how long? How long?
It's 9 months now. Yes.
Wow,
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
that's a lot,
Yeah.
huh?
And I
That's a
have
guy
it
who
because
knows how
I'm
to keep it.
very, very, very slow on that account. Like I keep it as my baby, just because
Oh,
I
okay.
want to do it that way with the account. But I truly agree with the Rosa. Like if you can spend, then it's better to just risk more and get those payouts. Repeat.
Hmm.
I don't do that
That's
with other
that's a guy
accounts.
that will take care of a woman. He will keep her.
Yeah. But you can have
Uh,
one of these, of course. I mean, I
Rosa
understand.
Samuel is saying Mira to WhatsApp.
Uh, My WhatsApp.
Yeah, Samuel is asking you to check
Ah,
your.
okay, okay, okay. Good.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
tell us more about the way you trade, Rajdeep, and like on this account that you're keeping. Like, how much do you risk per trade, per day, per week? Like, walk us through, because I bet many people are like curious to know how you're keeping it for this long.
So, like, the most important thing that I do is I never trade again the accounts. If I manage to make 2-3% for a payout, I'll just hold that to the payout date and continue that every single payout cycle. And let's say I lost my a few trades when I on a new cycle, I'll just risk down and still continue to trade until I'm break even. And one good setup, like 1-2%, I'll book it till the payout. Like my most amount of percentage is like 4% per payout. I've never aimed for more than that on that account specifically.
And how many payouts do you get out of Funny Pips so far?
With that account, it's 13, and with two
13.
other payouts with other accounts.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
Like, that's
that
very
cost
impressive.
me $150, which was refunded, of course, and I made $6,000 with that single account. It costed me
Oh wow.
150.
Nice, nice, nice. And like once you got your like first payout, what was the first thing you did? You went and bought more like
Yes,
prop accounts. Yeah,
yeah. With my first
that's a
payout,
totally different like mindset. I really don't have this, but I think I might like you guys are like dragging me into this. It sounds good.
yeah, I think that is why it is so important to have multiple accounts. Two of those you can trade them slowly. Two of those you can be aggressive. Like even on a single trade, one of those accounts you can get out at 1:1. On the other accounts you can still hold for higher targets. Like it becomes very easy with multiple accounts rather than having one single big account. It's always preferred to go for 2-3 smaller accounts. i,
Okay.
I think Rosa explained it very beautifully. It is very true. If I
I
had the
don't know.
money
Like
I would be that way.
I'm having thoughts of buying some. You know what? I would buy an account just to trade crazy for once because like I'm too disciplined. So why not just be very aggressive? It's not your money anyway,
You
right?
know what's the outcome doing that?
What? Yeah, losing the account.
Oh, no, no, no. And if you keep doing that for 10 times in a row,
This becomes my new habit and my new nature, and I start messing up my trading. Right?
no,
What do I do?
you will get payouts from the companies.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'll talk to
Then
you privately later.
yes, please. Let me start exploring this world. I got a whole playbook from you guys, so I think I'm going to explore it. Anyway, so I think today is like very slow, and
Hmm.
Yeah.
like even after the news, it was very slow. So I think let's wrap up and call it a day. And hopefully, like tomorrow will be like a more active day, a more like liquid day. So, guys, if you have any questions, we're going to wait for like a couple of minutes to see if you guys have any questions. After that, we're going to call it a day, and we're going to wish you the best of luck in your trading for the rest of this week. Let's see. Do we have any questions that we haven't answered yet?
Also, to everyone watching this, uh, there's a giveaway going on trading, where 100 people of you will be getting $100 deposited in your trading account. So make sure to start getting registered and getting signed up into trading. So that's a huge giveaway.
Yeah, and I think they need to like they need to share the posts and the right. Like it
Yeah,
has
yeah.
like many things. Let me read it. 1 second. It's interesting. Let me make sure. Okay, so how to win the giveaway. You need to comment on the post of the giveaway, and you need to reshare trading posts, not this post, posts in general, to your Instagram stories, and you need to follow trading and like trading posts. And of course, like if you register, that's even better. But I think that's the point of the giveaway. So $10,000, 100 traders will get $100 each deposited into a real account, a real trading account and traded. Yeah, so that's it.
Good.
Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, so that's it for today. All right, guys. Thank you, Rosa.
All right.
Thank you, Rajdeep.
Thank
It
you.
was
Thank
a
you all.
pleasure as always. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye
Bye
bye.
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 Thank you for having me. Thank you, Rosa. Thank you, Saif.
Cheers. Bye bye, my friends.